Welcome back, Jebel Ali. In this tutorial, we'll start looking at the different tools in SketchUp. Okay, and the first tool I'm going to show you is called the Pan tool, and the Pan tool can be found at the bottom of this toolbar here. So down the bottom, you click once, and you'll see you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other tools, and we're going to use this hand tool here, and that's called the Pan tool. Okay, and the Pan tool is just used to move our screen around. Okay, so we can move our person in this case into position because it's often useful to have the axes, which I'll talk about in a minute, in the center of our page, and that enables us to move. So what I'm doing here, I'm clicking and holding and dragging. So that's the Pan tool. Next, I'm going to show you these lines that are displayed on the screen. These are called axes. We've got 3 axes. We've got the blue axis, which goes vertical or up and down. And we have the green axis that goes horizontal, goes off into the distance. And we have the red axis that goes off this way. And it's useful to keep this axis pretty much in the center where all these lines meet. Okay, so there are our axes. Next, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out. And our character is useful to help us here because we're going to first zoom in close to that person and zoom out. Now, the zoom tool is the same place where you've got the pan tool, which is down here. So click once and it will display further tools. And we're going to use this zoom tool here. So we click on it once and you can see my icon has changed, or my mouse pointer has changed into a magnifying glass. And now when I drag and hold down, I zoom out. And if I drag and hold upwards, I zoom in. So down to zoom out, up to zoom in. And you need to keep doing that if you want to zoom right in. Now there is another way you can zoom in by using the mouse wheel, which is between your left and right mouse buttons. If you roll your mouse wheel forward, you'll zoom in. If you roll it backwards, it will zoom out, and that is really, really useful. So I'm going to go back to my pan tool. So click at the bottom here, choose my pan tool. I'm just going to show you one last tool. Now, if, for instance, I drag myself too far to the right and I can't find the center of my axis, to return to the center, you can click the bottom of the toolbars here and choose this tool here, which is Zoom Extends. If you click on there once, it will reappear at the center of your axis, and then you can zoom out again. Okay, so what I used there, I clicked where my pan tool is and I clicked on the Zoom Extends, and that returns my character to the center here. If you ever get lost, just do that and it will help. So that's the end of that short tutorial. We've used the pan tool to move our screen around. We've also used the zoom extends to return our character to the middle, and also the zoom tool, which enables to zoom in and out, which you can also do using the mouse wheel to roll backwards to zoom out and roll forwards to zoom in. Okay, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Take care, see you soon.